I'll start now. Good morning, everyone. So, does anyone here like the black color? Like you love something black?
Yeah.
Like you, right? Because it's aesthetic, right? But do you know that black is not, actually it's not a color. Because the color consists of the white color, which is the wavelength, but black color is actually the absence of light. Because when you close off the light, everything appears black, right? So the black color that you see here can be described as a material, like the material that appears black or that absorbs the light. So here is the very advanced nano material called Vantablack. So I'll introduce myself first. My name is Jimmy. I'm a second year nano student at Chulalongkorn University, and I've been studying about Vantablack for a while now, and the Vantablack is derived from vertical aligned nanotube arrays. So this is developed by the UK company called Surrey Nanosystems, and it claims that the potential of the absorption of the light is 99.96%, which is a lot. So Vantablack is made into 3 versions. So the first version and the second versions are like the better version, and the last version are like the coating or the spray can. So like in the more serious application, they will use the first version. So I will get into the detail further in this presentation. And the cost of the Vantablack is around $4,512 to $6,526 per kilogram, which is very expensive. So it is quite hard to acquire. And here is what Vantablack is made of. It is made of carbon nanotubes, like I mentioned in the previous presentation. Like it has the properties that absorbs the light. But in this presentation, I'm going to talk about the application of this Vantablack. And here's the artist who is very famous for using Vantablack. His name is Anish Kapoor. And here is one of the applications of Vantablack. It is used in the Cambridge satellite that the University of Singapore launched in the 2015. And they use the Vantablack in like the infrared camera because Vantablack absorbs light, right? So what this do is that it will prevent the interference of light from the outer space. So the results or the observation of the satellite will be more accurate. Moreover, it was used in the black body calibration. So black body calibration is like the calibration of the, like when you see the infrared camera and then you calibrate and compare the absorption of the light. So Vantablack is very good because it almost completely absorbs the light. And here is also another advantage of Vantablack is that it is very hydrophobic, so it prevents moist and wet. Well, you can see that it is very dark here. The guy is holding like a 3-dimensional object, but it appeared like in a plain circle. Also, you can see that it looks like a void here. And also there is a Switzerland watch. This is very expensive, about $96,500 US. Moreover, it is applied in the art fields, like in the museum, in the exhibitions. Here, also like a concept that applies to the car. And here's the building with Vantablack. So all in all, like Vantablack is very useful, and it is a very powerful material that can be used in wide range, from the astronomical to the art forms. So this is very like everyone should support Vantablack because it can lead to the better future. Thank you.